Hi students, welcome to Max Me Education online class. Today our topic speed, distance and time. Speed, distance and time. It's called as a speed. So first one, what is speed? So there is a given definition. What is the definition? It's the distance traveled by a moving object. Moving object in a unit time is called it speed. So any object, any body, it is a movement, it is a motion. So it is moving some particular time, that is called only speed. That is called only speed. For example, so a bus traveled 40 kilometers in 1 hour. 1 hour. So what is the speed? It is equal to 40 by 1. Or we have to write 40 kilometers per hour. What is it meaning? The bus traveled 40 kilometers in 1 hour. That is it meaning. So what is the speed means? A distance traveled by a moving object. In a unit time. Already we are taking time. What is the time here? 1 hour I am taking. 1 hour I am taking. So that is a 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much distance it travel? So we are restricted on time, not length. So in 1 hour, how many kilometers travel? Either 10 or 20, 40, 100, 1000, whatever it may be. That is called speed. Okay? Next. So we have one formula. What is the formula is equal to? That is a formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So in a unit time, a moving object, any object travel in particular how many kilometers? That is called speed. That kind we have to draw another formula. What is that form? Distance. Distance here, speed we are denoted with S. Distance is D. So time is T. So for it is very easy to convenient. That is equal to S is equal to D by T. Because speed is equal to distance by time. Or distance is equal to distance D is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Speed S into time T. So sometimes is given only speed and time, we have to find distance. At that time we are using this formula. Understand? Sometimes is given speed and distance, we have to find a time. At that time T is equal to, time is equal to distance by speed. Or speed is equal to distance by time. This is the main formula. These main formula we are dragging another two formulas. What is distance? D is equal to S into T. Speed into time. Speed into time. Or time is equal to this. Bring this again. S is in denominator. T is equal to D by S. Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. This is the introduction of speed and distance. Next we are going some briefly. Okay. Next. Most of the times we are showing speed is equal, speed in kilometers per hour or meters per second. So most of the times the unit time, the particular times we are taking hours or seconds, not in minutes. In international standards we are in hours or seconds only. So speed is equal to kilometers per hour or meters per. So these are majorly we are finding we are using units of the speed. Speed in kilometers per hour or meters per second. So some example is given kilometers per hour. we are changing to meters per seconds. Sometimes he is asking. So observe here, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Observe, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, or 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes into 60 seconds, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 hour is equal to 60 seconds, that is equal to 3600 seconds. So whenever kilometers per hour we are changing to meters per seconds, what we have to multiply with? So kilometers means kilometer, 1 kilometer by 1 hour. I am going to change meters per second. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. This is meters, this is seconds. 0, 0, 2 5 ja, 2 18 ja. So whenever we have to move kilometers per hour, we are changing to meters per second, we are multiply with 5 by 8. 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Similarly, if we want to meters per second, if we are going to change into meters per second, so we are multiple with 18 by 5, it's become kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. Okay? Right. Kilometers per hour. So kilometers per hour we are changing to meters per second, multiple with 5 by 18, or meters per second we are changing to kilometers per hour, we are multiple with 18 by 5, here 5 by 18. This is the briefly introductions of the speed. Next we are going for problems on speed and distance and time. Okay? Write it. Okay, next some problems on speed. So is given some problems. First, distance 70 kilometers, time 2 hours. We have to find the speed. So what is the formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So first, how much distance? 70 kilometers. 70 kilometers. And time is given hours. No problem. If it is given in another form units, you have to change in hours. That is equal to 2. 2 1 ja 235. That is equal to 35 kilometers per hour. Okay? Next. Same. If I take another one problem, again is given distance is equal to 800 kilometers, time t is equal to 16 hours. Same. That is equal to 800 kilometers by 16 hours. 16 hours. Okay? 16 1 is 16, 16 5 is 80. 50. That is equal to 50 kilometers per hour. Okay? This is the speed. Speed in kilometers per hour. Okay? Next, another one problem is given. Observe here. So, 400 meters and 24 seconds. 4,800, sorry. 4,800 meters. Next, 24 seconds. 24 seconds. Okay? Right. So, 24 1 is 24. 24 2 is 48. That is equal to 200. The speed is equal to 200 meters per second. 200 meters per second. Okay? If is given another one, same. If is not is given in seconds, if is given in minutes, 24 minutes, how we are changed. So seconds is directly we are substitute. If is given minutes, So what you have to do? Time is equal to 24 into 60 seconds. Because he is given in meters. It should be in seconds only. Time should be in seconds. That's why these minutes I am going to change in seconds. That is equal to 4,800 meters by 24 into 60 seconds. 24 ones are 24, 24, 200. 24, 200. Okay? 0, 0 cancel. 2 3s are 2 10s are. Therefore, T is equal to 10 by 3 meters per second. Okay? So, the speed should be either in kilometers per hour or meters per second. So, if he is given not in that same units, you have to change by our convenient based on situation, based on problem only how to change. Okay? Next. Next. Express the speed in meters per second. Is given kilometers per hour. We are going to change meters per seconds. So simple thing. 27 kilometers per hour. So I am going to into meters per second. So what we have to do? We have to multiply with 5 by 18. That is equal to 27 into 5 by 18. 9 2 ja 18. 9 3 ja 27. 3 5 ja 15 by 2. That is equal to 7.5 kilometers per meters per second. Meters per seconds. What is it meaning? So any bus or any auto, any vehicle, so it is in travel in 1 hour 27 kilometers. Same vehicle in seconds it travel 7.5 meters. 7.5 meters. Okay. Next. Same 90. So 90 is given kilometers per second. I am changing to meters per second. 5 by 18. 18 1 ja 18 5 ja, that is equal to 25 meters per second. Okay. Similarly, if he is given in meters per second, you have to change into kilometers per hours. You have to multiply with 18 by 5. 18 by 5. Simple reverse only. Okay. Next. Right. Copy it. Next. Another problem. An aeroplane covered 1200 kilometers. 1200 kilometers in 1 hour 40 minutes. Find its speed. Find its speed. So first distance is given in kilometers. Distance is given kilometers. So what we have to find? Find the speed. So given distance d is equal to 1200 kilometers. So next time should be in hours. So time t is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes. So I am going to change these 40 minutes in hours. That is equal to 1 plus 40 by 60. 40 by 60 because 1 hour 40 by 60, these minutes I am going to change in hours. So 2 by 3, 22 is 23, that is equal to 1 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3 hours. So time should be in 5 by 3 hours. What we have to find? We have to find speed. Speed is equal to distance d by time t. How much distance? 1200 kilometers by time 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So I am taking fraction by fraction, down fraction rotate. That is equal to 1200 by 1 into 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 243. 240 into 3, that is equal to 720 kilometers per hour. So the aeroplane speed is 720 kilometers per hour. Okay, so he is given directly. If he is given hours, there you have to substitute, but he is given some hours, another one in minutes. At that time the minute should be have to change into hours, then you have to solve the problem. Okay, copy it. Next, again one problem. A cyclist covers 950 meters in 5 minutes. Okay, find his speed in kilometers per hour. So observe, he is given in meters per second and meters, and time is given in minutes. So he want answer in kilometers per hour. How we are solve? So solutions given. So what is the given? Given distance d is equal to 950 meters. Okay, time t is equal to, what is the time t is equal to? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. These 5 minutes I am going to change in seconds, that way into 60. There 5 into 60 seconds. Okay. Next, what is the principle? Principle, speed is equal to distance by time. Principle, speed is equal to distance by time. What is the speed? Speed is equal to, I am going to find speed only. Distance how much? 950. But time is equal to 5 into 60. 0 0. Okay, 5 1 ja 5 19 ja. Therefore speed is equal to 19 by 6 meters per second. This is speed, but we want to find the speed in kilometers per hour. So simple, we are multiple with the 19 by 6 into 18 by 5. 18 by 5. Then it become kilometers per hour. Already we did problems in previous. 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, that is equal to 19 3 ja 57 by 5 kilometers per hour. 57 by 5 kilometers per hour. Or 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 2, 20, that is equal to 11.4. The speed is equal to 11.4 kilometers per hour. Okay, right, copy it. Next, again one problem. A child runs at a speed of 10 meters per second. So how much time till he taken to cover distance in 1 kilometers? The child runs, speed is 10 kilometers per second. So how much time will he taken if he covers 1 kilometers? Okay, observe. So is given speed. What is the formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed how much? 10 meters per second. So distance d is equal to 1 kilometers, but is given in meters. That's why these kilometers I am going to change into meters. That is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. Now what I am going to find? I am going to find time. How much time? Time t is equal to how much? So what is your formula? Speed is equal to distance by time, or time t is equal to distance by speed. So all are in same units only. This is meters per second, this also in meters. So we can proceed. Okay, observe here. Time t I am going to find. Distance is equal to 1000 meters. by 10. 0, 0, that is equal to 10, 100 seconds. 100 seconds. So, the children covered in 100 seconds, he can cover 1 kilometers. Okay, these are the another one problem. Copy it. Next, again one problem. A cyclist travels at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. How much far will he travel in 50 minutes? So, solutions. What is given? First is given speed. So, given, I am writing clearly. So, whatever you have to write problem, first you have to, what is given, what we have to find. Clearly understand, then you can easily solve the problem. Given speed, S is equal to 20 kilometers per hour. Okay. Next, time is given. Time t is equal to 50 minutes. 50 minutes. So, is given kilometers per hours. Simply, I am going to change these minutes into hours. That is equal to 50 by 60 hours. 50 by 60 hours. What we have to find? Find how much far. Far means distance. Find distance. Find distance d is equal to how much? What is the main formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. Then we can write distance is equal to speed into time. Distance d is equal to speed into time. Speed how much? 20 kilometers per hour. Time 50 by 60. 21 ja 23 ja. That is equal to distance is equal to 50 by 3 kilometers. 50 by 3 kilometers. If you want into meters, you have to change. Okay? Otherwise, you have to 3 1 ja 3. 3 16 ja 48. You are getting 2 18. That is equal to 16.6. Distance d is equal to 16.66 kilometers. Okay? Right. Copy it.